Did you know that just 1 tablespoon before planting tomatoes can make a huge difference? I'm not kidding. 1 tablespoon and your tomatoes will start out stronger, healthier, and with more fruit. Before you plant your seedlings, stop for a second. Don't just put a hole, plant soil. Do this. In the hole where the tomato goes, add 1 tablespoon of natural fertilizer that nourishes the roots from day 1. Why is this important? Because in the first weeks, the tomato decides whether it will be weak or strong. What we are doing here is to feed the roots, not the leaves. Strong roots mean more flowers. More flowers mean more tomatoes. Simple math. Important. Don't overdo it. 1 tablespoon is quite enough. More does not mean better, and that is a mistake that many people make. When you put this in the soil, mix it in a little. Only then do you plant the tomatoes and water them. The plant immediately gets the signal. I'm fine here. Now, a question for you. Do your tomatoes sometimes become weak, yellow, or with few fruits? Write in the comments yes or no. I'm really interested. If you want, in the next video, I can show exactly what goes into that 1 spoon and why that is. Like the video if this makes sense to you, and follow me for more simple tricks that really work in the garden.
Have you ever wondered why your neighbor's peppers are always dark green, firm and full of flowers, and yours are somehow? Thinking whether they will or not? Well, that's exactly what happened to me. I'm looking over the fence. Her peppers are like from a catalogue, mine are still negotiating with themselves. And of course, I had to ask, neighbors, what are you doing to them? She just laughs and says, nothing expensive, everything is in your kitchen. I immediately became interested there. Because peppers are not looking for miracles, they are looking for the right supplement at the right time if we give them a little push as they grow. They will return the favor in many ways, more flowers, stronger roots, thicker stems and, of course, more fruit. Here are a few quick tips before I reveal the trick. Peppers like stability. Not too much, not too little water. They don't like aggressive chemical fertilizers if the leaves fade or growth stops. That's a sign that they need help feeding in the morning or early evening gives the best results. And now the most important thing, simple, natural and proven. Just like my neighbor did. So let's get to the recipe for the best natural feeding for peppers you need. 1 liter of water, 1 level tablespoon of baking soda. Stir well until the soda is completely dissolved. Use this mixture to water the soil around the peppers, not on the leaves. Apply once every 10 to 14 days. Result: the peppers move faster, the leaves become darker, and the plant gains strength to bear more fruit. If you find this advice useful, you already know. Try it and let us know if your peppers have gone crazy like your neighbors and I'm going to the fence again. Just to see if there's another secret trick.